If you're not sitting down to review your numbers every month, you're holding your business back. Most creatives think that they can just check their business bank account and call it a day, but that's not growth. It's time to stop winging it and start building real financial clarity. And it starts with one monthly habit: money dates. Hi, I'm Samantha Eck, bookkeeper for creatives, and I help entrepreneurs like you stop feeling stressed about their money and start to feel in control. Finances don't have to be complicated or stressful. And today I'm going to show you how a simple once in a month check in with your numbers can transform your business. If you've ever felt like your finances are a mystery, like you don't know where your money's going or how to grow, this is the habit for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a money date, what to look at, and why this will become your favorite business ritual. Before we dive in, go ahead and hit subscribe if you're ready to finally take control of your business finances. And don't forget to grab your free QuickBooks setup checklist so that you can start setting up your money date like a pro. A money date is exactly what it sounds like: a time that you set aside every month to sit down and review your business finances. It's not just about looking at your bank account, it's about digging into the details and making sure that your money is working for you. It's a time to hit pause in the chaos of running your business to reflect and recalibrate. When you're rushing from project to project or dealing with a lot of client work, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. A money date gives you the space to check in, see what's working, and make smarter decisions moving forward. You might be asking why this matters. Because most creatives are reactive when it comes to their finances. They wait until tax season or some sort of cash flow crisis to take action. But by having a money date every month, you're staying proactive in your business. Here's what this habit can do for you. It helps you identify patterns, like if your income is steady, if there are slower months than others. Spotting these trends will help you plan ahead. It helps you catch problems early. Whether it's overspending or unpaid invoices, you can catch it before it snowballs into a bigger problem. You get to set intentional goals. Money goals aren't just about looking into their past, they're about looking into the future and setting intentional goals and tracking progress. When's the last time that you sat down and actually reviewed your finances? Not just glanced at them, but actually reviewed them. Let me know in the comments. There's no shame or judgment here. So let's break down what you actually need to do during a money date. Here's a quick little checklist for you to review. The first thing is your revenue. How much did you make this month? Where did it come from? And look at the trends and see what's working in your business. The second thing is your expenses. Where did your money go? Is there anything that you can cut or optimize? The third thing is your profit margin. How much are you keeping after expenses? This is going to show you if your pricing is actually where it needs to be at. Then you want to look at your invoices. Who still owes you money? Follow up on late invoices and don't let them sit. Then look at your savings goals, whether it's for taxes, whether it's for a rainy day fund, or maybe you're saving up for that big conference later on down this year. Check how close you are to hitting the targets that you've set for yourself. The key is to keep this simple. You don't need to spend hours on this. 30 minutes to an hour is plenty. The point is to check in regularly so that you're always aware of where you stand. So how do you actually stick with this? Because of course, even the best ideas don't work if you don't actually do them. The first thing you want to do is put it on your calendar. Treat it like a client meeting or a deadline. It's non-negotiable. Pick a day that works for you every month, even if it's like the third Friday of the month. It doesn't have to be a set day. Create a routine and make it enjoyable. Grab a coffee, grab some wine, put on some music, and get in the mood to sit down and look at your finances. The more pleasant it feels, the more likely that you're going to stick with it. You want to start small. Your first money date is going to feel awkward, and that's okay. Start with the basics, and of course, you're going to get more and more comfortable over time the more you build the habit. Consistency is what matters. Over time, you're going to see how much of a difference it makes, and it'll feel like second nature. Ready to start your money date routine? Block out 30 minutes this month and give it a try. And if you're ready to look at your numbers on more than just a spreadsheet, download my QuickBooks setup checklist so that you can get your numbers into an accounting software and start reviewing them that way. Let's make this month the month that you take control of your business finances. Thanks for spending time with me today. Taking control of your finances doesn't have to be stressful. It's all about building habits that support your growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a creative who could use a little more clarity. You've got this, and I'll see you next time.